Alright, David, come on son, into it. Oh, looking smooth. Looking smooth and fucking nailed it. Nice work, David. Now we need some barley redemption. It's him over there, kicking his bike. See, that's got a fucking shit you. Highly tuned motocross bike just stalling out all the time. Come on, Varley, you can do this. You can do it. Or not. Oh, why is that all blurry? Oh, and now it focuses.